Bro, what the heck? I just discovered how to get the Xbox Game Pass, guys, for free. There is a website right now. It's called ogsnags.com. So go to this site, and once you're on the site, guys, you're going to see all these discounts. So just go straight for the search bar and type in Xbox. And as you can see, it says Xbox Game Pass for free. So as you can see, it has like 62 people that used it today. These are like codes or coupons, whatever. So go ahead and press show coupon code, and it's going to generate it. So once it generates the code, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to bring us over to this page here. So on this page, we need to pick one of these. What do we like about Amazon? Whether it's like super fast shipping or something else. I'll just do the super fast shipping one, but then we have to enter our email address, guys. So make sure you guys use an email that you can regularly access, because they are going to send your Xbox Game Pass code to this email. So after you enter your email address, guys, you will need to register. So make sure you go ahead and fill this out. It's very easy to do, guys. You just need to make sure you put in all your information. So let me just do that. As you can see right here. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter everything, and we should be good to go, bro. So let's just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just like typing in all this stuff, you know. It's not really fun, but it's necessary. They won't be sending anything to your house, though, so you're okay on that front. So afterwards, we have to do a survey, guys, but it's really simple. So let me just get through the survey for you so you guys can see how this works. So I'm just going to answer all the questions, as you can see. All right, it's a very simple survey, guys. So you just got to answer all the questions, and you guys should be good to go. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, as you can see. All right, let's just go ahead and answer all these questions. It's pretty boring, but it's fine because you're getting free Xbox Game Pass, guys. So after you finish your survey, guys, what we need to do is see something, and I will show it to you in a second. It says, like, I agree and continue. Press this, and this will take you to the final step, which is going to be like a deal that you have to complete potentially. So as you can see, I'm just going to ignore these messages and onwards. So survey done. And then it says optional offers finished. And then we have to do the deal. So that's pretty easy. Complete deals to claim your rewards. So the deals are like these apps you have to download and reach a certain level. So they have this like Monopoly Go one. And it tells you like what to do. So be sure to try this out, because it's like totally updated, guys. So if you're interested in getting Xbox Game Pass for free, try it out. So there's the deal requirements for this Monopoly Go deal. I just wanted to show you guys. But you don't have to pick that one. You can do any of the deals, but that's how to get it for free.